The building of the Continental Railroad, 1994 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. Here's the tape. This peanut tape features Battle Hymn of the Republic from Kids Songs of America. So I'm not a kid until I'm 2 years old.
You'll laugh.
Ho, ho, ho.
You'll cry.
Ah!
You'll get up and
Ah!
dance as you and your family share the ongoing saga of a boy and his dog,
Snoopy!
a dog and his dinner,
I must admit, he's a very satisfying person to cook for.
a girl and her football, and a kid and his blanket.
What are you gonna do with it when you grow up? Maybe I'll make it into a sport coat.
That's right, the gang's all here. The entire Peanuts gang in all your favorite animated Peanuts titles. Now on video at great low prices, even a grown-up can't resist.
Is that right? Come on, Charlie Brown. It's a big honor for you.
So join Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Lucy, and the entire cast of unforgettable Peanuts characters in their most memorable classics.
I decided to say a few words about the Great Pumpkin.
It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. A Charlie Brown Christmas.
And
Happy New Year, Charlie Brown. Uh-oh.
All right, everybody, listen up.
And don't forget about all the other great Peanuts adventures.
I can see it now.
Yes, it's the very best of Peanuts, and they're priced to make you smile.
From all the Charlie Browns in the world, you're the Charlie Browniest.
Collect them all, now on video cassette.
Only from Paramount.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Selected only for non-commercial private. Listed in homes, any pocket perform, other use or copyrights reverse, all rights under copyright reverse. Air Mount.